What's up? This is July 15th. I am trading NQ now, full-time NQ, no more MNQ, no more micro. Um, and yeah, let's get into today's trades. So initially, I got on the charts at market open just because I wasn't. I woke up a little later than usual, and I had thrown up because I'd taken some vitamins and drank black coffee, and that didn't go well. But then, yeah. So I'm just staying away from market open. I'm usually just staying away from the first 30 minutes of market open just because I recently have been working in Power 3. I now better understand this. I did some work in the lab last night. Better understanding. So here we go. Three trades. I had two break even, one win. So it's a good day. So initially I see um this long. There's no gaps up until we around here. That's what I took. But yeah, I saw us take out session lows. I'm sure we're tapping into some higher time frame PD array or create a real relative lows over here. Sorry guys. There. Okay. And then I took a long. Um, I was up a little bit, but then I just decided to go break even just because I got just scared by price. This is a pretty nice order block right here too, and tapping into this 5 minute breaker block. Huh. This is a 5 minute, and then yeah, I just ended up going break even on that trade. I just kind of got it wasn't because what I learned is I watched he's a well-known trader, Fearing ICT, fellow ICT trader. He's been trading since December 2022. Um, and yeah, he helped me understand better after I watched his video. Understanding the 4 hour power three open high low close too. So we saw open from 10 a.m. We came up. So open high, low close. Usually that's a bearish candle, right? So we'll trade. So opening price, trade up, manipulation, trade down, right? And I just, and then that made me change my bias and I went short. I kind of just ended up getting scared because even though I would have had a way better entry because my take profit was right at this low, because we inverses gap created a nice BPR, all that good stuff, rejecting off this breaker block. It was honestly a better entry. I mean, the best entry would have been off of that first initial bearish candle down from that gap, not a closure, but from the gap, and you could have made some next could have made 110 points. Anyways, okay. I was wondering if you could change the color on that, but I guess not. But yeah, so we drop down below key open, create this manipulation right here. I just end up getting scared. I just collapse the trade, and then I'm just like, okay, I think I know where this is going. I was confident in my bias, so I decided to go short this candle after we had taken out these previous gaps, this gap, this gap, full closure of everything. Because then we just had this is some nice little bit of liquidity right here. Um, yeah, I ended up going short. TP, I believe my stop was around, I don't know, since it's magnetized. I think my stop was probably around 100 points, 100 ticks. I think it was a 100 tick stop. Yeah. And yeah, I got myself a nice. I don't believe it was 271 ticks, but I think it was closer around 205. So I made myself like 210, 205 ticks. So I made myself around $1,100 in this trade. After that, I just had to take the dub. I don't need to trade any more than this. And then now we're just needing to rally down. because we had our open, we had our high, creating our low, and we still got a good bit of time before close. And yeah, good trade today. That's all I have. I'll see you all in the next one.